Okay, you're going to go to nightknight.com to grab TeamViewer if you don't already have it. I'll show you where to find it. It doesn't matter what browser you use. Scroll all the way towards the bottom of the page. And there it is, TeamViewer. Click on the box. Now click where it says Get Your Night. Now you want to view your download. Open up the file folder. Double click on Night TeamViewer. Now this will take a few minutes for it to install. Almost done. Now if you already have TeamViewer, of course you're going to skip this part. Close the windows. You see the icon on your desktop, double click. Click OK at the bottom here. Now this is an important part, your ID. This is what never changes. This is what you're going to give me first time. And then it's the password. Now the password always changes. Every time you open up TeamViewer, you'll have a different password. So when I contact you, you'll give me the new password. You want to start TeamViewer when Windows starts. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, and hit the like button and follow, and I'll see you in the next video.